Hey guys, welcome back. We back on track with another YouTube video. How you doing today? And so y'all already know by the title, my storage is kind of full, so this video gonna be really short and I'm gonna talk really fast. So y'all know how y'all braids be going, you know, like how y'all braids be like just get it over real quick. So yeah, I'm finna do your first situation. I will be using pumps to really stop and yeah, the baby pump, and then I will be using some myself wax. So first things first, wet the brush. My brush is already wet. And just brush your hair down. Oh, and I forgot to say, welcome to all the new people that is on my channel and all the people that already previously watched my videos that I have just uploaded. So first things first, I will be taking some marshmallow wax, and I will be uploading on my channel a lot, and just put that down right there, and my quarantine been going good, and so hopefully y'all been going good too. So you just wanna lay that down like that, and so yeah, and get some of this and just rub it all through your head. I hope y'all having a good time, and this will keep y'all braids staying looking fresh, because I just got these done for my birthday, June 18th, as y'all know in my other update video, and I just want to take this with my cell wax and put it all through here. But yeah, your girl can go to relax and stuff, and hopefully y'all is having a wonderful time in quarantine, because I know I am really extremely tired myself, but anyways, yeah, I love y'all, and stay tuned to this channel and keep watching my videos, guys. Today there's going to be some real videos, and that part 2 for the story time when I got kidnapped is coming up.
First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love,